Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be doing a battle of the UK makeup subscription boxes. I have my Glossybox and I have my Lookfantastic box. No, I do not live in the UK. I live in the United States. I live in New York City. But I don't know. I just want to get UK makeup subscription boxes because sometimes you get really cool things in these boxes that they don't sell in the United States. A lot of the stuff they do sell in the United States, it has UK stuff and stuff that they sell in the United States. But I want to try something different and get different types of makeup and skincare products. So I've been subscribed to them for a while. And for the most part, the boxes aren't too shabby. So let's see what I got. If you guys want to know what I got in my boxes, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, before we get into the box, I just want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. Hi, welcome, my name is Aisha. I love all things makeup, which is why I started my channel. I am a makeup junkie, so I love getting makeup subscription boxes because I get a bang for my buck. I get a lot of makeup for an inexpensive price. These boxes aren't expensive. They aren't expensive. Like, for example, this Lookfantastic box is only 16 bucks, but you get like, sometimes like $100 value or more. My Glossy box is $21 a month, so they're not expensive. You get at least $100 worth of products in your boxes, sometimes more. So for me, it is a win-win for me. Win-win. Get to try something new, and you get to save some money, some dinero. So, very excited for that. So if you like watching makeup subscription unboxings, then my channel will be for you. Or if you just like watching makeup videos, I do makeup hauls, anything makeup related. So if you want to show your girl some love and support, give me a thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Alrighty, so which box should I unbox first? Let's see here. This one or this one? This one or this one? I'm gonna go with this one. So they get a 10 just for packaging. Like Glossybox, I gotta give it to them. Their packaging is always so cool and crafty. This looks like a cassette tape player. For the new millennials, why can't I say that word? You guys probably have never even used a cassette tape before. But I definitely have used it. I know what this is. I've had a cassette player before. I've had a DVD player. So, yeah, this is cool. This is cool. But the millenniums, you guys, you're probably like, what the heck is this? But yes, love the packaging. So that's the box. When you open her up, that's the first thing you see is like, a little pamphlet here. We got little tissue paper over here. And let's see what we got inside. That's the sneak peek. And if I'm looking to the side, I'm just looking into the monitor and being nosy and seeing what I'm getting. Instead of waiting, I'm being nosy with you guys. All right, so let's dig in and see what I got. All right, so the first thing I got is a Brightening Sleeping Mask. This is what she looks like. I don't think I'm going to use this. I'm going to give this away because I have so many masks. So rather give it to somebody who can use it. The next thing I got is an Avant. Ooh, a lip scrub. Hyaluronic Argan Oil Peony Sweet Almond Lip Scrub. Let me smell it. Oh, smells good. Avant is very expensive, in case you didn't know. Very, very expensive. So, super excited to have that. The prices, it says, wow, for the full size of this lip scrub. Guys, you're never going to guess how much this was for the full size of this lip scrub. $71. I told you this brand's expensive. 71 bucks for that. The mask was $6, so very reasonable price. I got 2 deluxe minis of a shampoo and conditioner by Patua. Never heard of the brand, but this is what she looks like. Shampoo and conditioner. Probably gonna give this away, but I love the packaging. This looks empty. That's interesting. Wow, like this is set. Now I'm not even gonna give this away because the person who I give this away to is probably gonna think I used it, but look, it's already empty. How you give somebody something and it's like, that is just wrong. That is just wrong. Talking about deluxe sample and half of it's empty. This thing is hard to open. Okay, there you go. Smells kind of like soap. It smells very soapy. Not like really shampoo. But I guess I have to keep this. I have no choice because it looks empty. And anybody I give this to is going to think I used it. So I'll keep it for myself. This is for dry, damaged, unruly hair. I mean, did I want shampoo and conditioner? No, probably not, but beggars can't be choosers, right? That's what, make a subscription boxes, you never know what you're gonna get. I got a moisturizing cream, which is the deluxe mini, is $19.99. Did anybody ever hear of this brand before? SYS, I've never heard of this brand before. But nevertheless, I got a moisturizing cream. Is this for your face? Yes, leave your skin feeling smooth and super hydrated. I'm going to give this away because I always give all my skincare away for the most part, unless it's something I always want to try. So that's that. What else did I get? I got another makeup item. This is by Bella Pierre. And it's like I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like a rosy pink, like, what do you call this? Loose eyeshadow. So I definitely will try this because I do wear loose shadows. Sorry that I keep looking into the monitor. It's a bad habit that I have to like break, but I'm just always, I can see the item, but I still want to like look with you guys at the same time. Like I'm so used to watching like a YouTube video that like I want to watch too, but I have to realize that like, stay focused, Aisha. Stay focused on the camera. Yeah, so that was it. I'm excited for the 2 makeup items. I'm always excited for the makeup items. I'm never excited for like the hair and the skincare stuff. So I'm going to keep these because it looks empty. And I'm going to give these 2 away. So that is the first box, the Glossybox. What did you guys think? I would give that maybe a 4 out of 10. It was nothing really that like awed me. We're gonna now battle that box with the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Let's see, who do you think is gonna win? Which box is going to win? We got 2 boxes. 2 boxes this month we're gonna do. All right, so it's kind of the same thing. It has the card, not the card, but like the pamphlet on top. This book's a little bit more hefty, as opposed to this one is only like 1 little pamphlet. This one you get a lot. So for presentation of the pamphlets, I like the Look Fantastic is winning as far as like information wise. This is winning. Then you got like your tissue paper with the seal. And this is what she looks like. Your sneak peek. All right, let's see what I got. Alrighty, guys. So I do see something I like right off the bat. It's a hand and body butter. It's strawberry macaroon hand and body butter. Yay! I got something that I actually would use. So let's smell her. I still have perfume on, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to smell it, but... Ooh, it smells good. Very sweet. Let's see. Oh, it smells really sweet, like candy. It does smell like a macaroon. I like it. All right, so the first item I like, I don't bubble tea. Don't know, it says Bath and Body, but I've never used anything from bubble tea, but excited for that. Let's see, does it have prices in this book? Tells you what you got in your box. So if you guys don't want to know, don't look because it'll give everything away. It does not give prices. Boo! We like prices. Yeah, there's no prices in here. Womp womp. All these pages and there ain't no prices. It does tell you like a little bit about the product. Alright, but I like the first item. The next thing I got is a Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel by Illamasqua makeup. Is this like the primer? I think I have this already. Body Veil. Designed for dull, dehydrated skin, this lightweight skin glowing gel instantly helps hydrate and smooth your skin. It blurs appearance of fine lines and minimizes the look of imperfections with a natural glowing finish. Yeah, so like I said, it's like a primer. Ooh. It's like kind of goldy. Look at that, guys. Interesting. Interesting. All right. So far, so good. I'm liking everything. This box is doing way better than the Glossybox so far. The next thing I got is something called Wipe Out Swipes. It's an eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. You guys know I love makeup wipes, so this will do good, but it's... Oh, these are pads, though. Makeup removal pads. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, they feel so soft, guys. These feel so soft that I don't even want to use this. So it's kind of like the makeup eraser. You wet them and it's supposed to help take your makeup off. I have like the makeup erasers and I never feel like... It's nothing like some wipes. So I don't know about all of that. But I'll take it. The next thing I got is a Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. Giving that away because you guys know how I feel about skincare. The next thing I got is an Illamasqua Papaya Enzyme Pill Exfoliator. The only thing I keep whenever I get skincare in my makeup subscription boxes is the exfoliators and the cleansers because that you can use, you can switch off and on with other ones. I feel like with moisturizers, you have to use them consistently for 3 months to know if it works. So and also I don't want to break out. So I'm not about to use like 3, 4, 5 different moisturizers every single day. So, but I will keep this. I will keep the exfoliator. So excited for that. And Illamasqua is a very good skincare brand. The last thing I got, I actually got this, I want to say in like my Ipsy bag. It's a Galactic Lid Gloss. And I said I was giving that away in that subscription, because like, I don't like the look of like wet lids. It's just not the look for me. So giving that away, and I think it's the same color. It's funny how these subscriptions sometimes give the same exact things for the same month. At least switch it off. But I'm gonna give this away because like I said, I don't like that wet look on my eyes. Not to say it's a bad look. It looks good on some people, but for me, your girl is just, I don't like the wet look for me as far as being on my eyeballs, on my ojos. So I am going to give that away. So these are the items that I got. And to be honest with you, I like this subscription better because I like the makeup veil, I like the makeup pads, I like the body cream. I didn't like these 3 things, but at least I liked more things in this box than I did in the Glossybox. It didn't, oh, actually, I like the Papaya Enzyme. And this is a makeup item. Normally, I like any makeup item, but I just don't like glossy lids. So, I only really didn't like 2 things out of the whole box. So I would give this box a 6 out of 10. I wasn't loving anything and I didn't love the box, so I'm not going to give it. I normally give a 7 or above if I love the box. I didn't love it, but it was way better than that Glossybox. So, yeah, 6 out of 10. Not too shabby, not too shabby. What did you guys think? Which box did you guys think won this battle of the UK makeup subscription boxes? In my eyes, I'm going for the Lookfantastic box. I mean, their pamphlets are better. They give you more makeup, and I like that it's not a skincare heavy box. So that was my options for the 2 boxes. Let me know what you guys think about this video, of the things I got in your comments down below. Thank you everyone who's been subscribing to my YouTube channel. I appreciate the love and support. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.